What's up guys, I'm back with another food review. Today we are trying Walker's Emmental Cheese Crisps. These are part of the new festive range. There's this flavour and the Beef Wellington flavour, which somebody at work was eating those, and to me they just smelt like flame grilled steak crisps. These ones, we shall see how they go. Okay. They definitely smell cheesy. Alrighty. Hmm. Hmm. Well, they're definitely cheese flavour. Very weak cheese flavour. Not so sure if it's Emmental, though. It doesn't really taste like Emmental. Crack into another one. Hmm. The flavour could definitely be stronger on these. Yeah, a little bit of a letdown. I'm going to give those ones a 4 out of 10. So yeah. Needs more cheese.